Let's be honest about the journey so far. The original ROG Ally was a beautiful, powerful, but flawed masterpiece. It gave us that stunning 120Hz screen and the raw power of the Z1 Extreme, and left us tethered to power updates and wrestling with Windows 11 on a tiny screen. ASUS didn't just hear the feedback. They obsessed over. The ROG Ally 2 is the result of thousands of hours of telemetry and community feedback. It is a device built by gamers who were tired of compromising. The heart of this beast is the confirmed AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. This isn't just a bump in clock speed. It's a generational leap using the Zen 5 architecture. We are looking at a hybrid 8-core monster with a mix of high-performance Zen 5 and high-efficiency Zen 5C cores. The real star is the graphics. With 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units, the Radeon 890M inside this thing is pushing performance levels we used to see only in dedicated gaming laptops. In plain English, that means Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield at high settings, with ray tracing hitting locked setting frames per second while you're sitting on a bus. This is the first time Handheld has truly achieved no-compromise AAA gaming. The Ally 2 isn't just throwing raw power at the problem. It's using a dedicated XDNA 2 neural engine capable of 50 TOPS. This allows for integrated AI upscaling that makes FSR 4.0 look like child's play. This AI intelligently manages your pixels, giving you 1440p like clarity on a handheld screen without draining the battery like a vacuum cleaner. It's the Auto SR feature we've been waiting for, making every game look like it was natively built for the device. Speaking of the screen, the debate is over. The ROG Ally 2 features a breathtaking 8-inch OLED display. We're moving up from the 7-inch standard to give you more immersion without significantly increasing the device's footprint, thanks to ultra-thin bezels. This display is a 144Hz refresh rate and includes variable refresh rate (VRR) support, the feature that made the original Ally better than the Steam Deck. With these are true black 1000 certification and 1500 nits of peak brightness, the colors are deeper than a black hole. You could be gaming on a sun-drenched beach, and you'll still see every detail in the shadows of Elden Ring, but power is useless if the machine dies in 40 minutes. This was the Achilles heel of the original. For the Ally 2, ASUS has implemented a massive battery upgrade. Following the success of the Ally X, the base Ally 2 is rumored to house an 80Wh battery. They are utilizing new high-density battery technology to pack more energy into the same physical weight. We are looking at a world where you can actually play AAA games for 3 to 4 hours straight on a single charge. If you're playing indie titles like Hades 2 or Blatro, you're looking at 10+ hours. The portable part of the name is finally a reality. Now, let's talk about the software because this is the biggest shift of all. There is a reason people are calling this the ROG Xbox Ally. ASUS has partnered directly with Microsoft to solve the Windows problem. When you boot this thing up, you aren't greeted by a messy desktop.